Ban nang ai mensim shishu Iaki samla Nongialehkai jong jela haki Nongialehkai baper badru haku juga por ke jing nang kentiu Iaki kam Nongialehkai hapo ke jela mat ke jing Pynkupburom Iaki Nongialehkai ke balala Nongialehkai bah haki arteli ke lempung Nongialehkai kata haka 5th Meghalaya Games ke badang shudap Longshan haridum garo bat ka Khelo India Youth Game arhajar arpsau ke bagi Nongialehkai football ke jela kilala Wanrah ke 6 job na ke lempung haka santri urumpang arhajar arpsau ke Sorkar jela kala Pynkupburom Ryngkat ke senyang kepada kesong Pisa sikin Nongialehkai ke bolongkum ke jing ai mensim makindang la shushu Nongialehkai bah haki por ke bansawan haka baya ke jing ilang Pynkupburom yakin Nongialehkai bat ki coach lapelong ha usosotam auditorium hall hanong Pak Shillong nalor menteri rang ba ke jelau Konrad ke sangma ubalawan poi ha ke jing ilang Pynkupburom kumukongsan Laidon lang ru menteri wopet Iaki Nongialehkai hapo ke jela uba syakliar warjri nang ta ke menteri jong ke tenat ke kot ke khia ke Dr. Amperin Lengdo ke director jong ke sports and youth affair ke jela ke kong Isa Wanda lalu u presiden ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association uba John F Kharjing lembat kiwe ki rupokman bat ki officer Sorkar
that we get nothing from the government. The government doesn't support us in any way. And that was a turning point in 2018 when I heard those words. And it is those words and that sense of commitment that I could see in their eyes that motivated me to make sure that we are able to support. I know we cannot do everything, but we are there to walk hand in hand with you, shoulder to shoulder, to ensure that we are able to improve things. And I'm sure that you have seen the changes in the last 5 years. A lot of work has been done, but this would not have been possible without the work of the associations. So really, I would like to congratulate the associations and the MSOA for all the hard work that has been put in. I only would like to suggest that we need to activate the district organizations. I would like to see that more and more sports activities are taking place at the district level, more and more competitions are taking place at the district level, because until and unless we don't promote it at the district level, we will not be able to bring out the talent that is there at the grassroots. So my sincere strengthen the district organizations, and from the government side, we will be there to support you and to help you in every possible way so that we are able to take things forward. So at the very outset, I would like to congratulate all the winners today and really wish you all the very best. You have made yourself, your family, and each and every one of us proud. So I think it would be appropriate that let's give each other, in fact all of you, a huge round of applause. Many, many congratulations for the great achievements that you have achieved. That we would like to make you as icons and as motivation for other youth to be able to look at you and say that, well, I would like to be like them. And I would like to also be one of those people who are able to achieve. And hence, I would like to tell the youth who are here today that you have a very important and responsible role to play. Today, you might think that you just won a medal, but it's not about just the medal or the award that you will get. It is about the recognition that you're getting today in the state. It's about how your colleagues, your friends, other youth of the state today are looking up to you. Hence, I would request all of you that be that responsible person. Guide other youths. Tell them your story of how you have done and achieved what you have achieved. That you will face challenges in life. But it is how you face them and how you improve and how you overcome them. That is really what matters. And I'm happy to see that the MSOA, the sports department, and all the organizing committee members overcame many challenges and we're making the games better and better every year. I really look forward to the games in Genti Hills in July, which will be in about a year's time. And I hope that all of you have started practicing for the event. We really hope that this year we had about 3,000 athletes. I'm hoping that we will be having many more in the next games. Hopefully maybe 4,000 to even 5,000 athletes participating in the future games to come. You will see that it is not just our speeches or the kind of words that we give, but in action, we have been able to invest in our youth. If you minus the infrastructures, which will be more than 700-800 crores today in different infrastructures for the sport within this last 5 years, in the different programs, as I said, for grassroots music program, Yes Meghalaya program, Prime Entrepreneurship program, Northeast Olympics, different Meghalaya games, different association games. The government of Meghalaya has spent more than 125 crores in different programs to organize and to mobilize the youth. And let me assure you that we will continue to do that and we will be investing in the youth because, as mentioned by our Honorable Sports Minister, you are the future of our state and we want to give the best opportunity to you to be able to shine in whatever area that you have passion in and that you want to move forward in.
900 athletes have won medals. So I would like to congratulate each and every one of you. I believe the 5th Meghalaya Games that was held in Tura was a huge success. But to make the 5th Meghalaya Games a huge success, it was a contribution of everyone. Dedication, hard work and teamwork. And I believe without you, the athletes, adjusting to whatever the government had to prepare for you, I believe without the dedication and hard work of all the associations, the district administration, the 5th Meghalaya Games edition would have never been a success. But nonetheless, it was a huge success and I'm very, very happy that we announced on the 5th Meghalaya Games that we will be distributing cash awards to all the athletes who have won medals. And I just want to congratulate you, each and everyone. And I want to tell you one thing, especially all the athletes, that this is not the end. You have won medals, you have won, now you'll be receiving the cash awards. But then we should always have a mindset, set a goal to achieve more and more, to go to greater heights. And for that, to achieve all that, you have to work hard, you have to be dedicated. We, the government, are dedicated to work hand in hand with you to provide you the best of the best so that you may achieve great things in life.